Hi everyone, it's Miss K here. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. I miss you all so much and I can't wait until I see you again. Today I'm going to teach you a game called Make It 100. The goal of this game is to add up to get to 100 exactly. I'm going to explain a little bit more here. What you need for this game is a piece of paper, a deck of cards, and a pencil. If you don't have a deck of cards, you can go to random-cards.com and click on one shuffled deck. That will do the same thing as having a deck of cards. Before you get started, I'm going to explain how you can use the face cards. You can either take them out or you can leave them in the deck and give them values. I gave the Jack a value of 11, the Queen a value of 12, the King a value of 13, and the Ace is 0. So before you get started, make sure you shuffle the deck, which means you mix up the cards. So I'm going to shuffle them. Can also go like this. And I'm going to put them to the side next to my paper. You can either play this game with one player or two players. If you play it with two players, you would each take a turn flipping over a card and writing it underneath player 1 and player 2. I'm just going to play with one player today. So first I'm going to flip over the first card and I'm going to record the number down. The number is 3. Now I'm going to flip again. So I'm going to keep adding these cards because remember the goal is to get to exactly 100. So now my next number is 8. So I'm going to write 3 plus 8, which is 11. Now I'm going to keep going and flipping the cards over. Okay, King. So remember what I said before. The King is worth 13. So I'm going to line up 13. Remember, line up your 1s and your 10s. We're going to start in the 1s place. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So I'm going to keep going. Okay, now I'm adding 9. Remember, if I just have 9, it only goes underneath the 1s place. 4 plus 9 is 13. I add the 1 to the 10s place. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'm going to keep doing this until I get closer to 100. And as I get closer to 100, so I showed an example here how I got almost to 100. Look, I'm at 99. So here's what you do. When you get close to the number 100, look, I'm going to flip it over. Plus 0 is 99 still. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to start back up at the top up here. So I'm going to write my number that I just finished off with. So 99 plus a Jack. Okay, Jack equals 11. So I'm going to add 11 here. 9 plus 1 is 10. Add a 1 to the 10s place. 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 1 more is 11. Okay, so this number is larger than 100. We have to get exactly to 100. So what you're going to do is you're going to start over from 50. So we're going to scratch this number because we want to get to exactly 100. So now I'm going to start over. Okay, a Queen is worth 12. So I'm going to add 12. So I'm going to keep going until I get to 100 exactly. So if you're playing with a partner, like I said, you'd keep taking turns, and the person who gets to 100 exactly is the winner. So I flipped a 6. So keep going. Make sure you keep those 1s and 10s lined up. If you end up filling up your whole paper, you can flip to the back and keep going from there. I hope you guys enjoy, and I see you playing this game.